At Money Services, located in Kroger Family of Stores, it's super easy to manage your money, all while doing your grocery shopping. We're proud to be part of the Kroger Family of Stores, the largest traditional grocer in the U.S. Serving customers in our communities is something we take great pride in, and our friendly and knowledgeable store associates are committed to helping you easily manage your money. Whether you need to pay bills, such as your utility, cell phone, mortgage, or car bills, with ease, as we have a range of payment options which many can be made the same day. Cash a check, where you'll quickly have the money in your wallet. Get a money order, a reliable way to send and guarantee payment. Our friendly team of trained store associates will help walk you through the process. Or send money, where you can send money to family and friends across town or around the world within minutes. We make sure the process is fast and easy so you can get on with your day. You can find your local Money Services desk in over 2,000 Kroger Family of Stores across the U.S., all serving your money management needs wherever you are. Money Services at Kroger Family of Stores, your neighborhood grocer. We save you time and money. Click the link in the description below to get started.